Morning, everybody. It's Lynn from A Bit of Birdsong. It is sunnier outside today, so I'm hoping for a lot better lighting when I sit down and record. This is the current trash journal. I don't think it's going to take much more, which is why I want to make a new one. I take this one to work with me pretty much every day, or whichever one I'm working on, and I'm still so surprised at the number of people who have never heard of junk journals. It's such a wonderful art, and when people see it, they say, oh my goodness, I've never heard of that. So these little dolls, let's see if I can show you a better look. And the sunlight. So her dress is just little scraps. She's so cute. And then get her hair out of her eyes. So she's got her little necklace on. They all look unhappy. Well, she looks unhappy. She looks surprised. That's just a little bit of gray mixed in with her hair. They're just so fun. They're over here in the light. So Jason's recording again today. We might hear some extra music, extra talking, and call me crazy, but I dragged home this display that is left over from Christmas. It was going to get thrown out, and I thought it would be really fun to just keep art supplies in. It gives me a place in the house that's not taking up too much space, and it's lightweight, so it slides really easily out of that corner if we need to get to the closet. I don't know if Jason has even seen it yet. He won't care, but I'll see how long it takes him to notice this is in here. He'll notice it when he needs to get something out of that closet. Okay. Whoa. Shoot. Whoa. Okay. I'm just hoping that you can see. We have a lot more sun today, and let's talk about some things. This can go over here in my little pieces of trash. Maybe I can use the windowsill for some storage until nightfall when I close the blinds and the curtains and everything. And Mr. Vladdy Pants, I can tell he's been over here. That crazy cat. So there's going to be recording again today. I brought home, this was just a piece of trash from work, where somebody stole some air dry clay. It's sad, or either tore it up in the store and just left it. And I love these little containers for shape makers, and I feel like this will be good for something. I can put something in here. And apparently Vlad knocked this off yesterday, and it was all over the floor. So I think there are a couple of caps on the floor somewhere. So let me tell you why I've got the desk cleared off. I'm gonna move my coffee over here to the left. And Amy, I love the coffee warmer. It's amazing. It's plugged in over on the other side of the office though. I wanted to show you, hang on, let me do something real quick. Okay, I think we're recording again. I went to get my lint roller. I will just keep it in here. Look at that. Big Vladdy Pants. I love him. He's doing better. Some of you know the struggle we had with him. So he's on Prozac now. We call it Perzac, and it has helped so much. In case any of you don't know, so Vlad has something called sterile cystitis, and he gets uncomfortable and he gets really edgy. He's a big cat with a big personality anyway. He's a tuxedo cat, and he's around 20 pounds. He's a big boy. So he would wet on things, and there seemed to be no rhyme or reason. And honestly, I mean, we didn't want to put him down. He's 10 years old. He'll be 11 this year. So we love him. We've dealt with this for a long time. That was the last option that we were even, I don't know that we were really even considering it, but you know, you do start talking about it when things, when they're tearing up so much stuff. So we Went to the vet about it and got him on Prozac, and it's helped him. He's calmer. It changed his personality a little bit. He keeps more to himself. I would say he probably sleeps more, but whereas before he was wetting probably every day, and I was having to clean that up, and we had 5 litter boxes, we're down to 4 litter boxes, and he is wetting maybe once every 2 weeks. So that's a huge difference. Anyway, let's get back to this. I bought some fabrics. This was a remnant, and the remnants right now are 75% off. I think I paid $1 something for this. This beautiful knit fabric. Let me see something. I just want to make sure you can see, okay? I really do need better lighting in here. So we have this, and this is another piece of knit, and it's so soft. I thought it would be fun to make Kendall, my grandson, some sweatpants out of this, or some like sleeping pants, or just play pants. You know, it's not made for children's sleepwear, but it's really soft. I think he would love wearing this around the house. So that's what that is for. And I want to make Addie and Grayson some things too. I don't think this piece is big enough for everybody, but I need to get my sewing skills back up. This is beautiful. This was a remnant, this beautiful blue. I was so inspired by this. So we're probably looking at no more than, I spent $5 here. And then this gorgeous, gorgeous fabric. This turned into a last chance. So this wasn't a remnant. This is over 3 yards. And the last chance fabrics, they end up being 70% off. So I think I paid about $10 for the whole 3 yards, 3+ yards. And I want to share this with my mom. It's really pretty. So this is interesting. This is a lining fabric. It was a remnant. I have something I want to do with this. I want to try to grunge this up, stiffen it up a little bit, and just stain it and use it in a lacy journal with some distressing. But we shall see. I don't know if you've seen this. This was a remnant, this beautiful cotton. I can't remember what I showed you, so I won't take too much time. This is a piece of knit that I absolutely love. I want to make something for myself. I don't know what yet. And then this was a piece of lacy fabric. It's not very big. It was a remnant. And that would be beautiful in just a lacy, like, you know, keepsake journal. This is for my mom. Mom, I might take one little piece of this to put on the edge of a page, but I thought you would like this. I did buy a piece of this Christmas fabric because I love the stamps, and I want to cut these out and put stamps throughout my Christmas journal. I probably won't do that right away. Here's another gorgeous remnant. We have beautiful bridal fabric and like embellished fabric. We have a lot of people in the area who are studying costume design. We really do have talented seamstresses in the area, and they come in a lot and buy things. They sew for other people. We have a lady who makes wedding dresses and things, and she has brought in pictures before of her finished dresses, and it's just unbelievable. This is a nursery fabric. It is so soft. You wouldn't have to use it for nursery. I could make a little top out of this that would be so soft, and it would be really flowy, and I could wear it over something else, like a long john sort of shirt. Here's butterflies for the butterfly journal. There's another piece. This was just a remnant. I thought my mom would like this. I fell in love with this Valentine heart fabric. So I had to get some of that, and I will probably, I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. I can't lock myself into doing some sort of holiday journal because things get so crazy here, and I don't want to do that to you either. I don't want to set up an expectation and then fail. So this is a flannel. Look how fun. These bright, bright mushrooms. I had to get a yard of that. And then this is another really fun mushroom fabric. This makes me think of Jessica at Paper Terrace. I think she likes mushrooms a lot. So many of us love mushrooms. And then this pretty, it's a net, not a net funicello. It's a type of netting or tool. It's really more like netting. And it's got the pretty butterflies that are just sitting on top. That's for the butterfly journal, and maybe something else. That's kind of a large piece. And then for the Secret Santa, this is one of the things that my coworker bought for me, which is so sweet. We have plants and coffee cups, so she knows me. Anyway, what I need to do is pick out a piece of fabric to put between these layers for the new trash journal. It has to be reinforced somehow. This is like a feed bag. This is not going to just tear, but this is, I think this would tear more easily. So it needs to be reinforced with something behind it. I'm gonna pick out some fabric and go to the sewing machine, and I will be back with this.